Pelagornis sandersi is an extinct species of giant seabird, considered one of the largest flying birds ever known. It lived during the late Oligocene epoch, around 25 million years ago. Here are some key facts about this remarkable bird. Wingspan. Estimates suggest a wingspan of up to 6 to 7 meters, 24 feet, making it the largest flying bird ever discovered. For the size, despite its larger wingspan, it was relatively lightweight, likely under 40 kilograms, 80 pounds, due to its hollow bones. Beak. It had a long, slender beak lined with pseudo-teeth whose like bony projections used it for catching fish and squid. Pelagornis Sandersi was a glider relying on its massive wingspan and ocean winds for soaring over long distances. With minimal energy expenditure, its flight style was likely similar to that of modern albatrosses. Its size and adaptation suggest it was highly specialized seabird capable of covering vast oceanic distances. It lived near ancient coastlines, feeding primarily on marine life such as fish and squid. Fossil evidence indicates it inhabited areas that are now the southeastern United States. The first fossils of Pelagornis sandersi were discovered in 1983 near Charleston, South Carolina, during excavations for an airport expansion. It was formally described in 2040 by paleontologist Ksepka. Pelagornis sandersi exemplifies the incredible diversity of prehistoric avian life and shows how evolution has shaped birds to dominate both land and air in various forms. Pelagornis sandersi comparison with the Andean condor and the wandering albatross. Pelagornis Sandersi had short, stumpy legs and was probably able to fly only by hopping off cliff edges. It has been estimated that it was able to fly at up to 60 km/h. Like all members of the Pelagornid, they have Sandersi had tooth-like or knob-like extensions of the bullous margin called pseudo-teeth, which would have enabled the living animal to better grip and grasp slippery prey. According to Ksepka, Pelagornis Sandersi's teeth don't hurt animals, they don't grow in sockets, and they are interlaced and replaced throughout the creature's lifespan. Climate change. Changes in global temperatures and sea levels during the late Oligocene and early Miocene periods could have significantly altered marine environments affecting the birds' food sources. Decline in food supply. As a seabird with a diet primarily consisting of fish and squid, shifts in ocean currents of fish populations could have made survival difficult. Competition, newer, more efficient predators and seabirds may have outcompeted Pelagornis sandersi for food resources. Inability to adapt. Despite its impressive wingspan, the bird's specialized feeding and fight techniques might have made it less adaptable to changing conditions. Geological changes. The shifting of land masses and changing coastlines could have reduced suitable breeding and feeding areas.